What if I told you that while you were sleeping last night, an AI system was having sales conversations with your prospects and booking qualified meetings for your business? I know it sounds like science fiction, but I've been building AI sales systems for the past few years, and what I'm about to show you is already working for countless of businesses right now, and it could be working for yours as well. And in the next 12 minutes, I'm going to demonstrate the exact AI infrastructure that can handle your lead qualification, follow-ups, and appointment booking even when you're offline. But here's the thing, this is going to be a detailed walkthrough, and if you're not serious about implementing AI in your business, the better thing to do right now is click off this video and spend it on watching something else. And for those of you who are ready to see the future of sales and automation, let's dive in. Here's what's happening in sales right now. Your prospects expect instant responses. When someone fills out a form at 11 p.m. on a Friday, they don't want to wait until Monday. They're actively looking for a solution, so they need a reply right now. And meanwhile, your sales team can't work 24/7. And that's normal because they're human and they need sleep, weekends, and vacation time. We all do. And this creates a massive gap where leads go cold, prospects lose interest, and deals slip through the cracks. Just think about your own behavior as a buyer. When you're researching a solution and fill out a form, how long do you wait before you move on to the next provider? Is it an hour? Is it 2 hours? Or are you actively applying to multiple and waiting for the first reply? Probably you're not waiting very long. And your prospects are the very same way. They're evaluating multiple solutions, and the company that responds the fastest often wins, regardless of whether they have the best product. But what if you could respond instantly, qualify properly, and book meetings automatically even while you sleep? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I call it the always on sales system, an AI infrastructure that handles the first stages of your sales process automatically. And this isn't a basic chat bot that gives you robotic responses. This is a sophisticated system that can have a natural conversation with prospects, ask qualifying questions intelligently, handle objections and concerns, and book meetings directly into your calendar. And on top of that, follow up persistently without being annoying. So let me show you exactly how it works in a client live account. And just to show you an example of a real lead that came through, you can see that's June 1st. They came through a social media campaign. I can track it back to the advertising campaign we were running, and they filled out a survey. And the moment they fill out a survey, we had regular automations going out, we had emails going out, we had text messages, and as you can see, they didn't reply to any of the outbound communications. We sent them a bunch more follow-up messages, and our AI kept on persistently following up, sending them emails, text messages until on, I think, the 4th day. After 5 or 6 follow-ups, they finally replied. They asked us where we're located. They said what are the dates they are available, and they said which is the appointment they want to come in down for. And they got all of the information needed. And if it wasn't for the AI persistently following up with that lead for 4 to 5 days, we wouldn't have been able to book that appointment. We would have lost the lead and waste our ad dollars. And this is just one simple example of thousands of leads that we're nurturing that way across multiple accounts. And this could be you having a system that is filling in the holes and nurturing all your prospects via text, email, and voice, which is super powerful. So let me show you how it works via voice live. So let me show you what happens when somebody fills out a form, whether it's on our website or on social media, such as Facebook lead form. So we fill out a form. We're going to use Alex Hermosi as an example, just so I can demonstrate the entire system from actually calling the lead, researching them, and booking them in for an appointment. So we're going to do Alex Hermosi at acquisition.com. That's a fake email, but for the purposes of our demo, it's going to work great. And tell us about our business. I help businesses grow by investing strategically in scaling their operations. Okay, so revenue, and within 30 days, they want to install that system. And now, within a minute, or actually 5 minutes, we should be getting a call if they don't book an appointment. So they're on our website, and normally once we acquire the lead, we would prompt them to self-book an appointment, fill out the information in here. But if they don't, what's going to happen is they're going to receive a call from our AI. And as you can see, I'm just receiving a call now.
Alex, how's your day going so far?
It's been going good, but who's calling?
Glad to hear that. This is Lyra from Welcome. I saw you filled out a form on our site, and I just wanted to ask a couple quick questions to see if we might be a fit. Sound good?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Awesome. Looks like you're in the business of helping companies grow by investing strategically in scaling their operations. bringing in over 500K a month and thinking AI can fit in within the next 30 days. That all still accurate?
Yeah, that's pretty much accurate.
Perfect. Do you have a website I could check out to get a better feel for your business?
Yeah, it is acquisition.com.
Got it. I'll note down your website as acquisition.com.ubot. Thanks for that. How are you thinking AI might help with what you're doing?
We run a lot of lead generation across multiple channels, so we were looking into probably installing some AI agents that could help nurture our leads or see if they could help our existing teams be more productive.
So you're exploring AI to either nurture leads directly or boost your team's productivity. How are you getting most of your leads right now?
We run a lot of lead generation campaigns. We have a few affiliates, we have a few partners, so I think it's a good mix of multiple channels. It's not one.
Yeah. Nice. Sounds like a solid mix. Are you using any automation or AI tools already, or is this your first dive into it?
We have a lot of systems in place, but it's mostly pre-programmed automation. So we're looking into maybe installing AI if the technology is at a level where it could sufficiently provide us with the results we're looking for.
Um, Got it. So you're already running automation, but curious if AI can take things to the next level. What's one thing you'd love to stop doing manually or just fix already?
Well, we have a lot of appointment setters, and obviously our team is dialed in. But as we're scaling, if AI could take off some of that workload, that would be amazing.
Totally makes sense of floating some of that appointment setting workload as you scale would be a game changer. What time zone are you in, by the way?
I'm in EST.
Got it? I'll note down you're in EST. Thanks for that. It's just a discovery call talking through what you're working on, where AI might fit, and mapping out some options. We've got time this Friday afternoon or next Monday morning. Do either work for you?
Do you have something sooner? Do you have something available for tomorrow?
Let me check if we have anything available tomorrow. Looks like we've got some openings tomorrow. Would a morning or afternoon slot work better for you?
If you have something 9 a.m., that would be amazing.
Perfect. Let me lock at 9 a.m. for you tomorrow. You're all set for tomorrow at 9 a.m. EST. We'll give you a call then. Excited to chat more. Talk soon.
Perfect. Thanks. Bye bye. And as you can see, the AI has booked an appointment in our calendar, checked the availability, asked us all of the pre qualifying questions. And if I come over to the CRM, I can see that the appointment has been booked. And as you can see, the time zone here says 8 p.m. And that's because I'm normally based in Bangkok, Thailand. So it automatically matches it to my time zone, and the prospect would get it in their time zone. So we have the smart calendar booking that is great for international calling. And if I come over to the contacts tab, I'm going to see a couple of things. First, I'm going to see the entire chain of communication. So I can see that we first sent them a text message, an opportunity was created, then we've created an appointment. I can see the transcript of the call here. I can listen to the entire call. Now they start getting reminders and automations prior to the appointment that's sending them relevant resources that could be helpful for what we're doing. And on top of that, under the notes section, we had our AI research agent go out and find everything that exists on the web about Alex Hermosi. So we did a background research and we have the information about it. We have professional background. We don't have current business ventures, what he's actively working on. We have notable achievements. Then we have education, background, philanthropy, and values. And we can even scout more things about acquisition.com as company, what are the competitors, what they're actively investing in, and all of that automatically in a matter of a second. And another thing that I have here, if I come under AI voice calling, I can see how many times the AI had to call the prospect before they picked up. And in this case, that's one time. We have the last call summary of exactly what has happened during the call. We have the last call recording and a summary of all of the prior calls we've had. Okay. As you can see, we had a discovery conversation with the agent. And what was the outcome of that? What was the cost per book call? It cost us 30 cents um, because it's divided the cost per minute and how long it took. And we have all of that automatically. We didn't have to do a thing. So imagine if you're running paid advertising and you're getting 10, 15, 20 leads a day. How many of those you're currently losing because you either don't have a team to follow up with those or you're not following up fast enough? Now, just imagine for a second installing an AI that lives across multiple channels. Think of voice, text, website, social media, and handling the conversation with breeze. And not only handling it, but also pre qualifying the leads. As you saw on that call, the AI extracted all of the information that was needed, confirmed all of the information that was needed, booked the appointment, and has done it very efficiently in a human-like pattern. But this one conversation isn't enough because most prospects need multiple touch points before they're ready to buy, especially in 2025 where the trust recession is here. And the second component is the automated follow-up system that continues the conversations across multiple channels and has the context and understanding between channels. And after the initial call, here's what happens automatically. All of the people are added to the follow-up nurture sequence where a calendar invite is sent with the meeting details. They also get additional resources and materials to further nurture them so they become more excited about working and partnering with us and also understand how we're different from everybody else. And they get an email with the agenda of what to expect on the call. They also get a reminder call 1 hour before their appointment and multiple text messages to make sure they show up. And here's the key. If they don't show up, the system doesn't give up. It automatically sends them a friendly reschedule message and continues nurturing them over time, sending them text messages, emails, trying to rebook them. And the follow-ups aren't generic either. The AI continues to follow up autonomously, having context on previous conversations. And the third component of our system is the AI research and preparation system, which is super helpful, especially if you work in B2B environments. Before every scheduled call, the AI automatically researches the prospects and updates your CRM with relevant information. And here's what makes this system different from basic chatbots or simple automation tools. Everything is connected and working together seamlessly. From this central hub, I can see every conversation across all channels. I can track the complete prospect journey. I can listen to the recorded calls and review transcripts. And I can monitor which messages are getting the best responses so I can optimize all of my sequences and prompting of my AI agents. And this helps me make adjustments to improve performance. And what the prospect experiences is a one continuous conversation with my company, not a series of disconnected interactions. And because everything is integrated, the system learns and improves over time. If certain questions or responses work better, the AI adapts over time and uses them more frequently. So let me share some real examples of how this is working right now. I have a client who runs a clinic, and before implementing this system, they were generating a lot of leads. They were generating anywhere between 200 to 300 leads a month, and they were trying to manually call every single lead during business hours. And usually they were able to do that within 48 hours. Now, the AI handles the initial qualification 24/7, and they only spend the time on calls with pre-qualified prospects who are genuinely interested. And furthermore, their booking rate has increased tremendously from what it was before. Another client in the consulting space was losing leads that came in over the weekends because they were taking that time for their family. And now those leads get immediate attention from the AI, and many are already qualified and scheduled in by Monday morning, which is super helpful for the business. And the pattern I'm seeing is that businesses don't just book more meetings, they book better meetings because the AI is able to filter the prospects, qualify them, and doesn't allow them to self-book because now you can ask the right questions to determine if they would be a fit for your product and service. Now let's talk about actually implementing this in your business. You have a few options. Option number one, you can build this system yourself. There's a lot of tutorials here on YouTube, and it requires some technical expertise and significant time investment, and you'll need to integrate multiple tools, set up the AI voice systems, connect everything to your CRM, and continuously optimize. And it's definitely possible, but it's a major project. And of course, we offer the tools so you can do it yourself. We have a lot of tutorials. We have a full documentation on how you do it, so you can check our AI voice and chat agents software in the description below. It's called WellGrow, where we have the first hybrid AI voice and chat agents that talk to each other. Option number two would be to hire developers or an agency, and this can work, but again, you need to find the people that understand both AI technology and sell sales process and expect a significant investment in both time and resources because it's going to take a couple of months. And option number 3 would be to use a pre-built solution. And this is exactly what we've developed with Ogro. We give you a complete system that can be customized to your business and quickly implemented within a matter of 7 days. The reality is that AI sales automation is still early. Most businesses haven't implemented anything like this yet, which means there's a real opportunity for early adopters. And if that's you, make sure you click the link below to book a call. But the technology is advancing rapidly, and what seems like cutting edge today will be the new standard tomorrow, and it will be very hard for businesses to catch up. So if you want to see how this could work specifically for your business, I'm offering a complimentary strategy session where we'll do a couple of things. We'll look at your current sales process, identify where AI could have the biggest impact, discuss what implementation could look like for your situation and business. So if you're already an established business and you have a product market fit generating sustainable revenue, click the link below to book a time that works for you, and we can see what could be some of the AI solutions that you can implement. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more content on AI business automation because I'm constantly testing new approaches and sharing what actually works. And the future of sales is automated, intelligent, and always on. The question is whether you'll be ahead of the curve or playing catch up.